In today's video, we are going to share some tips on choosing the right furniture for your home. Furniture plays a vital role in the functionality and aesthetics of your home. So it's important to make the right choice. Whether you are furnishing a new space or look to update your current furniture, these tips will help you to select pieces that perfectly fit for your needs and style. Let's dive in. Hi, welcome back to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel where we bring some easy and practical tips for your beautiful home decoring. Tip number 1. Assess your space. Before you start furniture shopping, take some time to evaluate your space. Consider the size, layout, and existing architectural features. It's crucial to understand the dimensions and proportions of your room to ensure the furniture you choose fits harmoniously. Measure your room dimensions and take note of any alcoves, windows, or doorways that might impact furniture placement. It will help you to determine the appropriate size and configurations of your furniture piece. Remember as well, proportioned space allows for easy movement and visually pleasing environment. Tip number 2. Consider functionality. Think about how you plan to use each room and select furniture that meets your needs. For example, you are finishing a living room. Consider whether you need a comfortable sofa for lounge or sectional to accommodate more guests. If you are setting up a home office, prioritize desk and chair that provide ergonomical support. Take a moment to envision how you will use the space on daily basis. This will help you to determine the types of furniture that are essential and ensure they serve their intended purpose. Always keep in mind that functionality should be priority when choosing furniture for your home. Tip number 3. Define your style. Your furniture choose or furniture choice should reflect your personal style and contribute to the overall aesthetic of your space. Consider the existing decor and architectural element in your home. Are you drawn to modern and minimalistic design or perfect or more traditional and ornate look? Understanding your style preference will guide you in selecting furniture that aligns with your vision. Browse design magazines or online platforms that inspire inspiration and identify the style, color, and materials that resonate with you. This will help you narrow down your choice and create cohesive look throughout your home. Remember, your furniture should be expression of your personality and contribute to the ambience you desire. Tip number 4. Quality and comfort. When investing in furniture, prioritize quality and comfort. Look for pieces made for durable material that will withstand daily use and stand the test of time. Test the furniture for comfort, especially items like sofas and chairs. Sit on them, check the cushion, and ensure that they provide the level of support you need. Consider factors likely upholstery, fabric, frame construction, and craftsmanship. Investing in well-made furniture ensure long longevity and enhances your overall experience in your home. Don't hesitate to ask questions about material and warranties when shopping for furniture. And there you have it. Tips for choosing the right furniture for your space by ensuring and assessing your space, considering functionality, defining your style, and prioritize quality and comfort. You can make the informed decision that result in a well furnished and inviting home. I hope you enjoy the video and this will very helpful and inspiring for you. If you enjoyed the video, please give the thumbs up and subscribe the Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Happy decorating and happy furniture shopping. Take care.